Thank you for joining us again by the fireplace. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about organization. So, let's begin, shall we? Hello. As I said, we're going to be talking about organization today. Now, you see, in this toolbox, there's the upper compartment where we keep smaller pieces like spacers, as we like to call churros, wherever these are, and much more. And when you open up the case for realsies, you have smaller boxes like these. Now you see, Kai, show them the label maker. Kai. Here. And that's where we make labels. You see, with the label maker, we have labels. For example, in this compartment, we keep the clampers, and so we labeled it clampers. In this box, we keep gears of all sizes, therefore gears. And just boxes where we keep our items organized and efficient. And now, I think it's time to show you the rest of the workspace and how we organize that. Follow me.
Yo, does anyone have Battletoads? Doug? Hey, does anyone have Battletoads? Does anyone hold the game of Battletoads in their possession? No?
Hi, welcome. This is the workspace. As you can see here, we have our practice field. Here, we have where the mechanics work. As you can see, our head mechanic Tristan is hard to work with his buddies. And in these back two tables, we have parts that we use.
Dude, where'd it go?
So, this is a small look about how team number 9695 organizes their stuff. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.